Hey guys, we got the tripod, we got the cool knife thing that everyone uses. Flip over my address, and let's pop it right onto the tripod so I can show you guys what I got in this epic unboxing. Let's go and take a look. Sorry if this isn't like straight or anything, my grandma has her like a iPad stand over here. That's kind of sick, not gonna lie. And I got a Chinese book in the background for my Chinese class. But anyway, this is the package. Let's get out the knife. Where should I slit this? Slit it right here. Oh yeah, that's satisfying, bro. So we got 3 items in this unboxing, and we can already see the first one right here. And it is none other than the Speed Shop mini mat. And it is a Halloween mini mat. We were actually 10 cents away from free shipping. So I decided, let's get something that's, seasonal, because they have the Halloween stuff right now. This is a really nice mini mat. The colors are actually not as vibrant as I thought, but it's still really, really cool. I really love this blue. Honestly, in the camera right now, it looks pretty sick. But then again, in California right now, the sky is like orange. It's really weird, and it's like ashes everywhere yesterday. But we're doing okay. Anyway, but this is a super nice design. You got 3 jack-o'-lanterns. This guy's looking pretty happy. And yeah, this is looking pretty nice. And then just Speed Shop across the middle. So that's a seasonal mat. Maybe I'll get one for Christmas. I don't know. But we also got this. This is a Diantangian 2x2. I don't know, does it usually not come with plastic on the outside? Or, I didn't order a Supernova one, did I? I don't think so. So, I don't know, I guess there's no plastic on the outside of this one. But I did break my MGC Elite 2x2, that's why I ordered another 2x2. And then, this is the pre-order item that I was talking about. None other than the QiYi clock. Holy, oh my goodness, look! It's a Halloween card. That is sick. Yo, I do like this card. And then we got another one of these, which is always nice to have. I can display it on both my shelves now. So we got some epic cards. Wait, what is this? 2 out of 3? Can you collect these? Oh my goodness. That's pretty cool. It's 2 out of 3, guys. Let me know, do you guys know what the first 1 out of 3 and 3 out of 3 is? Anyway, we got the QiYi clock and the Diantangian 2x2. I think this is more exciting because, holy, this is pretty hyped. It's hyped as the best clock to ever exist. Okay, that's not true. But basically, this clock comes in at $35. It's on sale for $30 at Speed Shop, so I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. But basically, it's fully magnetic, and it's super duper smooth. If you don't want to set up your own clock, then this is the clock you want to get. So you just don't have to set up anything. The other clocks are $10, the Lingao and the Shengshao one. The Shengshao one has actually magnetic pins, so if you want to get a cheaper one, probably get the Shengshao. But anyway, let's go and crack this bad boy open. Oh my gosh, ready? Oh yes, look at this. Oh my god, those pins. Okay, it comes with a really nice stand for your clock, because there aren't really any clock stands, so that is super duper fantastic. That is very useful. And then you just get some cards and pamphlets. So I believe this is a clock solve guide. That's never going to be used. Got this guy. You got some clock pictures. Oh, that's nice. So the dials right there, this one. And this one as well. That looks really, really nice. I like that. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and close up the box. Let's put that back there. It's sort of a nice texture. It's like a very smooth texture, and it's a paper box, but it's still fantastic. Anyway, I am so excited about this clock. It feels the same size as my Lingao one. It just looks fantastic. One thing is there's a red 11 there instead of like a 12, so people get a little confused, because obviously the goal of clock is to get a 12 o'clock, if you know what I mean. Get all the pins, all the clocks to be facing up. And I just felt the pins actually. Oh my god, that is so smooth, bro. That is so smooth. And the magnets aren't as strong as I thought. I've heard a lot of people say that, but it's not gonna fall down by itself. Oh, maybe. Maybe if you shake it very hard. Interesting. It's so much more tactile. It's so much more stable than the Ling Ao clock, so that's what really matters. Another thing is that it does have screws, so if you do want to take it apart, there is the screws right there at the edge. And also take a look at the little texture, the little details on this clock. Focus, there we go. Look at those little details, those little lines across the clock. So it looks really nice. I think the black face is actually the front of the clock. But let's try the dials, guys. Holy. Oh my. That is ridiculous. That's not even funny. That's not even funny, bro. Oh my god. You can overturn on this. Oh my god. Okay, let's just try to scramble this. Oh my god. But yeah, I did learn how to solve clock. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Are you kidding me? Yo, you can literally overturn on this puzzle. Overturning on clock? I never thought I'd say that, bro. Oh my god, it is so smooth. It's almost like you need to slow it down. But oh my god, let's do a solve really quick. I don't have a timer and I don't even know what I averaged. The Ling Ao, I barely use Ling Ao anymore because it glitches out, but the dials sometimes don't match up and then you hear it and then it sort of like reverses what you just did. It's really strange. But this one, let's do a solve really quick. So, oh my god, you can literally overturn. You literally overturn. You have to be like precise. Oh god. Wait a second. You literally have to be so precise, bro. Oh my god. That is so good, though. Oh my god, that is the smoothest thing I've ever felt in my entire life, guys. Oh, wait, oh, it solved itself. The corners were, okay. But that is so good. Oh my god. You literally, oh, what the? I think I just messed that up. But yeah, the magnets on this do help, as long as you're not shaking it crazily. Oh, it's not even going down. Yeah, as long as you're not like, then the dials are fine. Oh my god. And then at the bottom here, it says Mofang Ge. On both sides. I'm not exactly sure what that says. Alright, let's check out the Diantangian 2x2. I'm gonna go grab some stuff after to compare, but this is known for how quiet it is. It's a 50mm puzzle, so it's a millimeter smaller than, for example, the GAN 251 or the MGC2 Elite. My co-main was the MGC, just the normal MGC 2x2, which comes in at $10. So I'm gonna be comparing it mostly to that, and that one's quite loud. So let's go and take a look at this one right here. Wow, look at that. I like this packaging, man. Oh, yo, I actually really like these color shades. Yo, I thought the green would be darker, but no. This is really good. Oh yeah, this is a good start, guys. And then interesting packaging at the bottom, but we got a little parts box, which I assume is just maybe some springs and stuff. So we got some pamphlets. Got some springs here. 2 sets of springs, interesting. I don't mess with springs on 2x2. I barely mess with springs on 3x3. And this is a solve guide from DaYan themselves. So nothing too much in the parts box. I've heard the DaYan TengYun doesn't take much setup out of the box. So I'm really excited to take a look at this thing. Let's crack right into it, guys. Oh my god, I've been loving the MGC. Because the 51mm was a little bit big for me. Really satisfying. Oh yeah, dude. That is the most satisfying part of an unboxing, I swear. So, oh goodness, there's a lot of lube on the outside. This is my cubing cloth. Let's wipe this bad boy down. I'm really liking the feeling of it right now. Whenever you order a DaYan puzzle, you have to be sure you have a cloth, because these things, oh my god, they're so loopy. First turns. Oh! What the heck? You can't even hear it. You can't even hear it. You can't even hear this puzzle. It's gone. It's like not even there. You can't even hear this puzzle. How do they do that? How? What in the world? Obviously, I'm by no means a 2x2 expert, but wow. I am so impressed with DaYan. Obviously, this is not a new puzzle at all. And then there's probably better ones that are gonna come out. The magnet strength, it's nice. This one, okay, you heard how soft that one was, right? Right, get ready, get ready. Oh my god. There's a certain texture to cubes that have sounds, but like this is ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh my god. This one is ridiculously good. I give my 100% recommendation for this. It's lighter than the MGC. Yo. You know, I love the color shades. The weight is really nice. I don't even know the weight of it, but it might be on the screen right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with my puzzles. Anyway, the thing that makes the MGC really loud is corner cutting. So if you just do a tiny corner cut, like not even close to 45, like just like that, you hear that snap? And then you try it reverse, right? That's half a piece. That should be easy, right? You hear that snap? Like that snap is insanely loud. Let's try this one. Oh my god, how do they do that? DaYan, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Oh, you can't even hear the cube. Anyway, I may seem really happy today because I think I did well on a history quiz. AP World History, guys. What am I doing with my life? Anyway, this is so good. I don't even know what to say anymore. You can't even hear this puzzle. The one I felt at Speaking Shop had like a little bit of noise, was much quieter than this, but this is way beyond my expectations. These two puzzles are literally these two puzzles. I just got insane upgrades right here. Insane upgrades. Let me show you guys the turning of the ling out. Oh my god. Can you hear that? There's literally spring, like, oh my god. The pins, very loud. But this, oh my god. Oh, to be honest, the QiYi clock, I already knew it was gonna be ridiculous. This, I didn't have that high of an expectation for. Get this if you don't want to set up your own clock. Obviously, there's not a lot of people who practice clock in the WCA. Give it a try. Like, I got this from Cameron Brown. Thank you so much, by the way. And, like, literally, I wanted to solve it because obviously I got one, right? And it's actually more fun than it looks. It's actually quite fun. I really actually kind of like clock. So I would say give it a try, guys. Maybe buy a Shengqiao one, and then if you really get into it, buy the QiYi. This is the best 2x2. If people are saying MGC Elite is the best 2x2, this is leaps and bounds better. You can't even hear it. You can't hear it. It's a ninja. This is what the ninjas do. The ninjas solve on this. Anyway, I'm sorry for ranting, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let me know, guys, in the comments your thoughts, whatever. Anyway, guys, RS3M 2020 edition. I promised I was gonna do a setup video. That should be coming soon. I didn't purchase it in this haul. I'll be getting it next haul though, along with maybe a 4x4 or 5x5. But yeah, I will see you guys next time on Boss Bassoon, and hopefully you enjoyed. So have a great time.